recovered strongly as we have discussed in our first update. Now crude has come to the critical milestone at $74 levels here. I remembered I've discussed that beyond 74, 74.2, we can in fact look forward to 75 directly and 76 as well. While the net gas is also moved above 2.112 zone, which is definitely a critical resistance zone, breaking beyond which we are looking forward to 2.15 and 2.2 levels. So what is going to happen with the US session? Can we expect it to rise and rally, or there is a possibility of a reversal? What is going to be our strategy? Let's have a look with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. Thus, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. And friends, your every like, comment, and share is a great motivation to me. Let's start. First, oil followed with gas. Watch till the end. See, what did we discuss earlier in the day? That oil, see what is doing after the top, it has seen a rise, then higher lows are seen, and now it will try to deliver higher highs. So now it has come to the zone 74, 74.2, and we know that beyond this 74.2 levels, the chances for oil to move towards 75 will be very, very high. And yes, it is right now at the perfect resistance zone. Moving averages are now looking upwards, and definitely that's a good sign for the bulls. The support is now far below at 73 and 72.4 levels. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI rising, good sign for the bulls here. On the 2 hour charts, if you look, the observation is more or less same on the 2 hour charts. Do watch the first video which I shared today earlier in the day. Definitely it will give you further direction that why we were looking forward to a rise here, and still we are looking forward to a rise. Look at higher lows here, beautifully respected, and this suggests that there is this bullish momentum, which suggests that possibility of a move towards 75 edges is strong. And if you look at the formation here, see earlier I have mentioned, look, just draw these lines here and now looking upward. So possibility of it moving toward the zone exists, which is at 76. Stochastic rising, MACD rising, RSI rising, good sign for the bulls. Coming to 3 hour chart, on the 3 hour chart, similar observation, reversal sign and the rise here. It may try to move towards 75 levels here. Possibility exists is strong. Stochastic is also rising, the MACD is anyways bullish, and the RSI. So indicators are very much supportive here for the rise. And if you look at the 4 hour charts, similarly on the 4 hour chart, see increasing bullishness, flat top, and a good beginning here. And once it stays above 74.2, the lower price has to be above 74.2. You can initiate a buying entry. First target should be at 74.6 and then towards 75 levels here. Largely, I'll be looking at 75 years, and beyond 75 is also possible. But I see that there are going to be greater resistances coming into picture towards 76 levels, which is definitely going to be a bigger hurdle for oil to break past by. Stochastic rising, the MACD has crossed over here at the bottom, trading with divergence, looking bullish, looking upwards. RSI is rising, coming to daily. And before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signal channel on Telegram. Write an email or connect with me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. And now look at the daily chart. See, earlier in the day, what I have mentioned, that look at this candle, that could be a reversal candle. It was a good swing here, coming with a bigger tail. And also you should look at these 4 candles in sum, and none of the candles closed below 72.4, and that makes it a greater support zone. With that as support, today it has started to look forward on the upside. Also look at this, the formation here and the formation here. This suggests that it can move towards the top of the channel, and that should be a greater resistance. See, it is still not bullish. The moving averages are trading with divergence and bearishness. 78.6, 79 zone is what it needs to break. Also, look at the formation here. This is an expanding triangle. Chances for the price to move towards the top of the triangle exist strong, which means 78, 78.6. Stochastic rising, MACD bearish, RSI rising here. Considering this at 74.2, you can initiate a buying entry. Expect it to move towards 74.6 and 75 levels as the first target zone. Beyond 75, the chances for oil to move towards 76 is also equally strong. Keep trailing, and yes, a selling entry today is only below 73.6 levels, where you can expect 73.2, 73 as the first target zone, 72.6, 72.4 as the next. Only and only if you see oil below 72.4, you can say that it is turning bearish, and then we can look forward to a greater fall, which can take it towards 71.8, 71 zone. Chances for this happening appears to be very, very less. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at natural gas. Likewise, gas on the hourly chart. See what we had discussed. Look at the formation, the rise, consolidation, and this is you can say increasing flag formation, bullish flag formation here. And now the support levels at 2.08 and 2.05 are very, very strong. As long as it stays above 2.05, at least we are not going to take a selling entry. Now see, moving averages are trading with divergence, staying bullish, looking upwards. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI back to overbought zone. On the 2 hour charts also, if you look at, see, after delivering, you can say, uh, moderate candles, it is trying to give a breakout, but ultimately it has to break beyond 2.11, 2.12 zone, which will confirm a move towards 2.15, and any move beyond 2.15 is definitely a good sign for the bulls towards 2.2. Moving averages have crossed over here, good sign for the bulls. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI back to overbought zone. On the 3 hour chart, similar observation. It has formed a very good base now at 2.0806 zone. This should not be taken in any case. Any drop below 2, in fact, 2.04, 2.05 till 2.04 levels, we should not be treating net gas as bearish. Till 2.04, yes, possible retracement, but again it could bounce back. And on the upside, 2.15 is the next milestone it needs to break. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI rising here on the 3 hour charts. Signs are though good for the bulls here. Coming to 4 hour charts, on the 4 hour charts, if you look at the formation here, see the formation you should track the drop here, then the retracement, then the drop, and then the retracement. Now, also, if you connect the dots, it is almost on the verge of a crossover. So, once it stays beyond 2.12, that should be an ideal buying entry for us, which will confirm a move towards 2.15. And then, in fact, we can look forward to 2.2 as well. The stochastic here is overbought, the MACD is rising, the RSI is rising. Coming to daily chart, likewise on the daily chart, see what we had seen earlier, the drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop, retracement. Now 20 period moving average sitting at 2.1 to 2.15 zone is the critical resistance for net gas to break past by. Any move and closer above this zone is certainly a sign that it can in fact move towards 2.3 levels as well in the near future. The stochastic rising, MACD. The MACD, after staying at the bottom, now showing signs of divergence. It is a good sign for it to retrace. If you look at the larger picture, rise with a moderate bullishness, then a sharper drop, and now it is trying to rise with moderate bullishness. RSI is rising as well. So considering this, first buying entry is at around 2.11, 2.12 zone. You can buy here and expect 2.1516 as the first target zone, and then I will look forward to 2.2 levels as the next targets. Possibilities there that it can keep moving on the, but again you have to just stick to the levels. On the downside, you can sell here at 2.08, 2.06 levels. A safer entry is only below 2.06, a riskier at 2.08 levels. When you see the higher price below 2.08, you can take a selling entry, but then again it is going to be riskier. When I say it means there are greater support, and we are taking trading against the trend. Thus, first support should be at 2.0605 levels, very, very good support. If it breaks 2.05, in fact 2.04, this complete zone between 2.06 to 2.04 is going to remain a greater support. Any drop below 2.04 is a sign that the bulls are not interested, and then we can look forward to a drop towards $2, which is going to be the stronger support at least for the day and for the week. Below 2 is where the bears are waiting, and then 1.9496. I do not see it breaking 1.9496 at least today. So take your trades accordingly. Inherent bias is bullish, but stick to the levels. If it's a selling entry, sell, but strictly with trail, specifically when it's against the trend. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not miss to watch every day the first update with the Asia and Europe session that gives you a fair bit of idea on how to trade the energy sector and, in fact, other indices and commodities as well. And this is the second update. Just subscribe, press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment. Also, join the mentorship batch and the signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank